I'm just a cheesy ham. The season of drinking eggnog, acing finals, turtle doves, and lords a leaping, whatever those are, but thankfully no gingerbread houses this year. It's almost time to wrap up this year, literally. Doofus on duty. So if you love wintry mixes and whirling wind chill weather with warmth from wrapping wreaths and world-class worldwide worksheet wrangling wizards with winter wanderlust and a whirlwind of white elephants and workplace workshops, you'll wildly whirl for this Wildcat Wonderland Wandering Wallaby Wind Down the Year webisode watch of Simon Says. Let's get right to it. Live from my remote news desk in the North Pole. Brrr. I think the North Pole is probably warmer than Lexington today, viewers. First, what better way to end the year than with a look ahead? Mark your brand new 2026 calendars with two important dates. February 3rd for the Economic Outlook Conference and March 24th for the Supply Chain Forum. So don't be naughty, mark your calendars as you won't want to miss these outstanding events in the new year. And now, after creating my Vegemite sandwich playlist on Spotify, this got me thinking, viewers, so let's do a quick look back on a year of episodes of Simon Says. Let's call it Simon Says Wrapped. I said dodgy 7.5 times. We got the John Dory surprisingly only 5 times. I tried 8 different foods, viewers, and I don't think I liked any of them. They were all crap. My least favourite was the prawn crackers with rubbish put on top of them. Thanks, Dory. We featured 72 students and guests on this show. Johnny Carson, roll over, mate. I recited 280 alliterated words, almost completely in only one take, I might add, and 10 total eppies. And that is 2025 Simon Says Wrapped, and I'm becoming a bigger goose. And speaking of wrapped, some of your dear old Dean's holiday purchases are still completely unwrapped. And my producers thought I could use a little practice before the holiday hustle. We've got scissors, we've got all types of ribbons, sticky tape, mountains of paper. So here we go. I wonder what they're going to get me to wrap. Oh, you're kidding me. It doesn't even sit on the desk. So the first thing I'm going to do, viewers, is cut the price tag off. It's a bit cheesy to leave it on. The scissors are a joke. They don't cut string. They have really stitched me up this time. Look at that. Let's start a stopwatch. We will speed it up for you. I'm left-handed, but I cut paper right-handed. My process is to make sure you have a lot of paper. The loss function, the statistical loss function, is 100% if you don't have enough paper. If you have too much paper, well, that's a bit of a problem, but you can fix that problem. The statistical loss function, that's how I run my life, mate. Minimise your statistical loss function. Though in my personal life, that hasn't gone that well a few times, but that's a story for another day. You'll have to read the memoir. This could be a really bad situation. Oh, look at this, viewers. It's a ripper chipper. This is gonna work. Apparently when I was 3, I used to say to my grandmother, I do it by myself. And then the other thing is you can never have too much tape. Oh dear, oh dear. Look at this, viewers. Looks ugly, but it's effective. It's like my first car, Morris 1500. It was ugly as sin, but it was pretty effective. We have to do ribbon too. That's smart, fancier than what happens in my family. Okay. And if this feels like hours on the shortened version on the video, you should have been here on the day. It should have been 6 inches longer. 5 minutes and 43 seconds, viewers. It's a disgrace. And I'm told the next item is even more complicated, so here we go. Are you serious? It's a used putter. It's a very good one, and I'm told off camera it's been used by champions. Follow simple instructions with minimal supervision, okay? Oh dash bother, as we say in Australia when we're polite. You can't hear it at home, viewers, but they're all wetting their pants laughing here. Oh, she's gone. No, excuse me, I'm not ready. Don't interrupt me. I think this segment is going to go down as the most laughed at for the whole year. It's a beauty. I think I might have too much paper in yours, but we'll see. Have that club back. Thank you, sir. Paper's very thin. It's likely to tear at any point in time. Oh, it's going to work out. You watch. Viewers, there is a lack of confidence in my wrapping. Get down over there, get down. Oh, here we go. There's a bit of situation at the top here that needs a bit of strategic thinking. Look at this. It's going to make a dog's breakfast look neat. Look at that, viewers. It's a beautiful thing. 7 minutes and 9 seconds. If you're bad, Santa will make you watch the whole 7 minutes and 9 seconds with me. There we go, viewers. Don't say I'm not a good sport, okay? These gifts are a reminder that we have a lot wrapped under the tree here at Gatton. In the spirit of rapping, they talked me into rapping. We've all heard the tune, The Turtle Doves and Partridges in the Pear Tree, our 12 faithful days, and in that spirit we bring you, of the great gifts of Gatton, here's what tops our tree. 12 wildcats roaring, 11 trips abroading, 10 donors giving, 9 profs researching, 8 treats are crunching, 7 tassels turning, 6 growth are planning, 5 finals aced, 4 Shiva Sids. Happy holidays and best wishes for a successful 2026 from Simon, Martin,
Andrew, and Tim Seeker.
3 Hall of Famers, 2 chocolate carts, and alumni as our Wildcat family. Some excellent news from Las Vegas. Our Gatton XL financial modelling team just ranked 5th worldwide. This year's team made all of us at Gatton very proud. A huge shout out to Paul, John, and returning champ Colin. They duked it out against nearly 10,000 students, viewers, from 900 schools and competitors hailing from more than 125 countries, making our team's 5th place world ranking even sweeter. Kudos to our amazing students and their coaches, our very own Leon Bergeron and John Salerling, for truly providing a world-class world champion experience. Congratulations. The holidays are all about delicious baked goods, and some of our Wall Street scholars brought the heat in the mergers and acquisitions bake-off style pitch cup. The event was organised by our very own Finance Advisory Board member, Keith Carlson, who worked with the students over the summer to organise the event. Thank you, Keith. And we couldn't end the semester without a bang. It's party time, viewers. One of the biggest highlights of the season is our student holiday party. Always a winter wonderland, and they even let me drop by to give some last minute advice for finals. And finally, I've been waiting all year to make this pun. That wraps this Winter Wonderland edition of Simon Says and our amazing 2025 here at the Gatton College. Amazing for the college and amazing for me personally too. Thank you to all those who have supported me. I'm so thankful for each of you who truly are a gift to the Gatton College. Wishing you and yours the happiest of holidays and a healthy, safe and prosperous new year. I'll see you all to kick off 2026 with lots of exciting adventures. Until then, be well, happy holidays and go Cats.